EVGO Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Easy to buy. Watch this short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I've made well over 40,000 videos, right? Like I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and you can check out my YouTube channel. I've been just documenting my journey for 5 years in the trenches and looking at EVGO. I mean, the only thing that I care about is zooming out and just taking a full understanding where exactly we are. Haven't made a video in this thing in a while, but previously it seems like I was just milking it down, right? And that was great, you know, that was phenomenal. I do have that. Yeah, that was perfect. And then, you know, it came here, it didn't hold this demand, and then just kind of kept crashing. I mean, all for it to say is that it's now starting to kind of pick up. In an instance like this, all I'm going to look to do is just double down on this, right? Like, not randomly buying or anything, but like waiting for that strategic approach, where in this case, this is going to be kind of the targets. And I'm talking 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes something, 1 minute something. As long as there's like that confirmation, nothing's stopping me from doubling down on this. So I'm just saying, it's not financial advice by any means. And if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.